it's exciting. Everybody's making tons of money and making beautiful houses on HGTV, and you think, well, why not me?
Hey, it's Kevin Amolsch, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on Facebook, you found us here on YouTube. Please help me out. We're trying to build a channel so we can help more real estate investors just like you. You could do that by hitting like, hitting subscribe. Leave me some comments below. I have a fantastic guest with me today, Miss Maya Brown. You're going to help me help you with some tips for beginning real estate investors. So what is a couple of tips to help our newer real estate investing friends?
You know, Kevin, I would say the first one is to just make a timeline and jump right in. You can talk yourself out of this thing by just trying to get overloaded with information and checking off too many boxes. And before you know it, a year or two has gone by and you haven't done what you said you were going to do. So I think the number one thing is to set a timeline and decide when you are going to start and be committed to that start date.
Yes, at some point, you can only get so much education. You got to actually take the action. Love that. What's another tip?
So my second tip, HGTV is not a mentor. It is not at all the way that it looks on TV. And Kevin, I can actually tell you that I've kind of made that mistake. I think what got me really excited about investing in real estate was watching TV and very quickly learning that that is not the way that things go down. So find yourself a real mentor, somebody who's had success in this arena that can walk you through the steps and kind of get you ahead of some of those surprises that are bound to happen.
It sounds like you've learned that from experience.
Absolutely. It's exciting. Everybody's making tons of money and making beautiful houses on HGTV, and you think, well, why not me? And yeah, a little bit it's why not you, but it just doesn't look quite as pretty. You don't wrap it up in 30 minutes like it happens on TV. So get a real mentor.
So get a mentor. Yeah, and it could be you, and we could help you with that. You could find out more information on how we could do that at pinefinancialgroup.com.